हैप्पी होली यहाँ पे।
Welcome to H2O movement, the special Fulawali Holi.
Holy Lesia, Holy Lesia, Julie Lesia, Happy Holiday.
रंग बरसे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे हो रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे फूल बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे होली है सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा खाई गोरी का यार बलम तर से रंग बरसे वो फूल बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे होली है everyone sing it together होली क्या बात है बिना चमेली का बिना चमेली का सेज सजाया बिना चमेली का सेज सजाया सोई गोरी का यार बलम तर से रंग बरसे वो फूल बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे
And we are having the best Holi possible, but with an ethical sense to it. We are playing with flowers and saving water, no chemicals, and at the end of the day, no harm to the environment or to the animals. आप लोग जितना मर्जी होली खेल सकते हैं, बट थोड़ा वैल्यू से एथिकली होली खेलो, बिना पानी रेस करते हुए, बिना केमिकल कलर्स यूज करते हुए, एंड अबव ऑल कितने जानवर और एनवायरनमेंट को इस चीज से नुकसान हो जाता है। तो अगर हम सब मिलके थोड़ा सा बदलावत ला सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं? So tonight, Fulawali Holi begins today.
Holy Lesia.
Oh, precious bunny. Oh, precious. And happy Holi, everyone.
So let's just gear up for this dynamic word of substance, Sanjana John, and her amazing inspiring things that she keeps doing. Here's a wonderful initiative where we can play Holi without water, with flowers. I think kudos to you for this. Let's just take this ahead and let's put this everywhere on our posts so that everyone executes this and understands this and promotes this movement. Let's save water. We are having,
H2O movement, which is very, very important. We as a kid, I've seen my father getting tankers of water because I come from mountains, a small village. So there's no water supply. So he used to go and get the tankers for everyone staying there. So I really understand how important it is for us to save water. And more than anything, I would say that yes, we all enjoy playing bully, but let's take a little step of not using water, throwing water. And I've seen a lot of people throwing balloons, throwing water on dogs. Instead of throwing it, get them so that they can drink it. So I just want to say, great initiative. Thank you for having me here. And happy Holi. Save water. It's beautiful, beautiful thought to save the water. And Clown Holi is my favorite. I am super duper excited and I'm thankful that I'm here and you doing amazing job. And happy Holi's everybody. Amazing cause, saving water and playing Holi with the petals. It's amazing and happy Holi to all of you. Enjoy! I just feel it's so hard. Bombay is such a fast life. To come together for an initiative like this also takes effort. So firstly, thank you. Thank you always for coming and putting our words to the world. And I feel we are humans. We can still talk to each other and everything that we do has a repercussion. But animals, I feel more. And you should just see them. कभी ना आप लोग देखना हम होली दिवाली कोई भी चीज celebrate, just look at them. वो ना छुप जाते हैं वो कहीं पर and you know they don't drink they don't get water, they don't get food. So हम तो फिर भी बोल देंगे, you know, I got hurt, I am not liking this. Don't we'll have particular topic to talk about or give our expression towards it. But how, you know, we should all of us just give one thought towards the animals and rest will follow. We are at the end of the day people who celebrate light. So we are going to celebrate Holi, but this time with flowering.
First of all, she deserves the Salvador.
The bigger one.
Sorry for the voice, guys. It's the bad throat. But thank you for the initiative. It's a brilliant one. Everyone knows about the significance of Holi since years. We do use colors. People have got informed. Okay, just to introduce, this is Neeraj from Smooch. And that's the kombucha which we have come up with. And I'm glad that Sanjana is coming up with the intent of coming up with theme, everything. Hence, what we are representing with this event and us aligned ourselves to give us a key better water. Because right now, as so rightly mentioned and as Sanjana's initiative comes, there is nothing on this cell which is as clean. Even if I ask you everyone, think of one beverage which we can pick from the shelf, which is without any artificial flavors, colors, essence, or preservatives. We can hardly pick anything except water. And that's the importance of water.
5 different sources of light, which are Dhati, Vayu, Jal, Akash, and water. So it's one of them, of course, without which the existence of life would be inhabitant and would be maro. So thank you so much, and thank you, Sanjana, I think all the dignitaries for being present, and super happy Holi to everybody with flowers.
Water, a very sensitive subject. मुझे कुछ लम्हे याद आ गए जो मेरे दादाजी मेरे से शेयर किया करते थे. This is about almost 36 years back. I still remember he telling me one fine day कि बेटा आने वाले दिन तेरा पानी भी हिंदुस्तान में दिखेगा और आज आपको तेरी से बिस्तर यहाँ पार्टनर आज. तो the other fact what he told me was जो नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर होगी वो पानी की वजह से होगी और जो आलम अभी चल रहा है इस मार्च में माहौल चल रहा है वो दिन दूर नहीं है कभी शायद वर्ल्ड वॉर पक्का दिख रही होती हो तुमको. तो लेट्स एज राइटली सेड द संजना जी, लेट्स सेव वाटर टू द utmost. बिना पानी के कुछ भी नहीं.
Well, Sanjana and MSW Business Forum Association goes long back, and she's very dear to our heart. And definitely being into the government and the way we are pushing to the sustainability initiatives, encouraging and building capacity for the MSMEs in the sustainability sector. That is one part. But when Santana came to us with her thought on save water, that is very noble, and rightly everyone said out here, water is going to be the next thing that we would be all fighting for. So even in our kitchens, ladies, even if we can just save a bottle of water, a bucket of water from an RO filter, that saved a lot of water. So I believe in 3 hours principle, which is not, this has been termed later on by the standardization organization 3R principles, but this has been actually used by our grandmoms. You reuse and recycle, don't waste. Yeah. So let's get back to a tradition. And when there is a lot of chaos going around the world, I think, Sanjana, you have come up with a very brilliant idea. Holi in traditional way with the flower petals and something to look at the humanity and celebrate together out here.
थैंक यू सो मच। और अच्छे तरीके से होली खेलिए। कल छोटी होली है, परसों बड़ी होली है। अच्छे तरीके से खेलिए और पानी को सेव करिए। जिस तरीके से आज जिन लोगों ने जितनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें की, हमें सीखना चाहिए। और इस तरीके की होली, हम ये नहीं कहते कि आप जिस तरीके से इंडिया में होली मनाई जाती है मत खेलिए, खेलिए आप, लेकिन थोड़ा सा पानी को सेव करिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
And already हम लोग examples देख रहे हैं. South Africa has already declared a water shortage, and as Anil ji very rightly mentioned that अगली war जो होगी वो हमारे resource के लिए होगी. So coincidentally my web series has released on Disney Hotstar, and it's on the 5 elements, so which Sir just talked about. It's called The Power of Panch. So I am really overwhelmed and super happy that and honored to be a part of this. Thank you, Sanjana, for this moment. Much needed. And thank you to our dear media members over here, because जैसे कहा गया कि आपके जरिए ही आप हम लाखों करोड़ों तक ये मैसेज पहुंचा सकेंगे. Thank you and happy Holi.
It is happy Holi to everybody. Please, please, please. I know you all love water. You all love rain dance. You can't do without it, but still do something less and make one effort to just play Holi. चाहे घर में खेलिए आप, पर फूलों से खेलिए, सूखे रंगों से खेलिए, but not with water. That's all I would appeal at. Thank you once again, everybody.
Save water throughout 365 days, 366 days if it's a leap year, because it's going to be a resource which is going to be in park. So happy Holi to everyone. Enjoy your Holi and make sure you save water every day, not only Holi.
Thank you. So well said.
Great to be here with you this holiday in America. This is something we should support. The Give Life Foundation promotes the stem cell donation. The 2 pillars of life, one is water. Without water, you have no life. But also without stem cells, you have no life, because stem cells produce blood of all types, red cells, white cells, platelets, and your DVAN. And unfortunately, India does not have a bone marrow transplant registry that is viable, large, significant, and able to save so many lives. So I set this up 40 years ago in the United States. It's been very successful. We find a match if you say have leukemia or bowel savior, plastic urine, or single cell anemia. You need a match if your bone marrow to work. It has to make cells. So we find the match, and we do it by just swab like that. Then you're in the registry. So you can learn a lot from the swab. And what you learn also, you can learn DNA and genetics and also marrotypes. It's an amazing source of information. So what we're doing is we're going around the cities in India. We were just in Chennai, and we're going to Bangalore and other places. And the purpose is to promote these twin pillars of life. Water, the Sanjana, without water you don't have life, but also without stem cells you don't have life. So my goal is to get 80 million HLA marrotype people in the registry in India. It's a big job. Now you have less than 6 million. And then take it to the world, because we have 5 million Indians in the United States, in the diaspora, in the U.S., so we can do that, or have marrows going both ways. So it's a 2-way street. We can help each other. And in the end of the day, it's a great tool for international relations and bilateral relations between the countries, the U.S. and India. And it's a way to build bridges. And we become blood brothers and blood sisters and one human family. And at the end of the day, we are one human family. Someone from Mars looking at this, you have a fighting, will think we're crazy. Just crazy. Why are we doing this? We're one human family. I've been all over the world. I've been to Cuba. I've been to China. Set these registries up in other countries. And I've said the same thing to the officials. We're all mothers, fathers, let's just make our lives better and save our kids. So the organization in the United States is called Be the Mash, and it's very famous, and you'll see it everybody all over. Well, that's why I set up 40 years ago, and it's worked. And something that works should be exported to India. This is an uncommon man. Etiketur, you can help us. Look, looking boat. Skip. Or shake man.
Well, two different things to get reported. Thank you, Dr. Fish.
Thank you.